Hey guys, I want to buy a new rubik, so let's find them. This is wrong, guys. Don't buy it. Look at that.
I believe I can tell.
Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox a YG Yulong V2M Miracle Cube. I have so many cube already, but I bought the new one. So let's open this up. In the package we got the cube itself, come with a black color. Here is the pamphlet for a beginner solver, and let's open it up. First circle. This is so smooth. Look, look at my cutting. What? Oh wow! So this is so smooth. Like, look at my edge first. This is so smooth. I like this cube. Wow. This is so smooth. Let's see the corner cutting. Ooh, past 45 degrees. Wow. Let's see reverse. Whoa, so good. Okay. Ooh. That's all for today, guys. Bye. Hey guys, today I'm going to solve my new cube called YG Yulong V2M. And if you wanna see what time I got, the timer is there and my mommy control my time. So the scramble is this scramble. So let's solve it. Is 40 seconds and the cube